Let's solve this example using the substitution method. If you take a look at these two equations that we have to solve simultaneously, you will see that in equation 1, y is already made the subject of the equation. So that saves us some stress and we can just go straight to substituting the value of y into equation 2. So in our solution, we would substitute y equals 2x minus 1 into equation 2. So that is, whenever we find y in equation 2, we will replace it with 2x minus 1. So let's write equation 2 now. Our new equation 2 becomes x plus, now we have 3 into y. And like I said, we'll replace y with 2x minus 1. Then continue the equation and then we have equals minus 10. Now let's solve this to get the value of x. So here we have x plus, let's open this bracket. 3 multiplied by 2x will give us 6x. And 3 multiplied by minus 1 will give us minus 3. And this equals minus 10. And when we collect like terms, we would have that x plus 6x equals minus 10. Now when minus 3 crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus. So we have plus 3. Now if we simplify, x plus 6x will give us 7x, which equals, now minus 10 plus 3 will give us minus 7. And now we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 7. This will give us 7x over 7 equals minus 7 over 7. And of course, this means that our x equals minus 7 divided by 7 will give us minus 1. Now we have the value of x. Let's get the value of y. So to do that, we will substitute x equals minus 1 into equation 1. So in equation 1, we have y equals 2x. And x is what? Minus 1. And then we have minus 1. So when we solve this, we will have y equals 2 multiplied by minus 1 will give us minus 2. So minus 2 minus 1. And then our y equals minus 3. Therefore, x equals minus 1 and y equals minus 3. Now let's check. So we will check with equation 2. In our equation 2, we have x plus 3y equals minus 10. Now from the left hand side of the equation, we will replace x and y with their corresponding values. So x is minus 1 plus y. That is, we have 3 into the value of y, which is minus 3. And when we solve this, we would have minus 1. Now, plus 3 multiplied by minus 3 will give us minus 9. And minus 1 minus 9 will give us minus 10, which is consistent with the right hand side. Hence, it is correct. So the value of x is minus 1 and the value of y is minus 3. Thank you.